that. And this is the type of place I want to live at. You're in the woods, you're away from everybody, but you're not far away from civilization. That's what I'm talking about. Let me see which way I'm going. Yeah. Park over here, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, I'm done. Like I said, this is the area I would love to live in. Nice and somewhat secluded. But there's some weird sounds coming from the woods. It makes me think this is probably a creepy place to be at night. You hear that? It's like the screeching sound. That's crazy. I don't know what. There's some kind of, I don't know what. Oh, sounds like they got woodpeckers out here. That's cool. All right, time to go pick my son up. He only got one exam today, so go pick him up, drop him off at home, and then I'm on to the next job.